All right, guys. So let's first look at the basic device again. Everybody knows what is a substrate, yes or no? You know what is a substrate? That is basically the body or the wafer in which you will fabricate. Think of your VLSI chip like a building, as I said. Basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. It's like a building. Everybody saw Silicon Run videos. So you know it's built one on top of the other. And everybody knows that it's built and it is set around masks, yes or no? Masks are everything. Every step is done on a mask. Everybody is in agreement with this statement, yes or no? Okay. No, very important because today there are a lot of things related to masks also that I'll be discussing. Now, if this is my substrate, if I look at an NMOS, this is a typical NMOS, correct? It sits in a P substrate, correct? Yes or no? Now, and if I want to make a PMOS, then in the same substrate, I create something called as a N-well, in which एक टिपिकल फेवरेट वाइवा क्वेश्चन अगर परेशान करने वाला आके पूछना चाहे ना, बेसिकली क्या पूछेगा? व्हाई डज पीमॉस हैव टू बी एन एनवेल? लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन ना, बोलो. हाँ, नो 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 नो, बट व्हाई शुड इट बी एन एन सबस्ट्रेट? आई कैन पुट अ पी सबस्ट्रेट. No, 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 no. Not necessarily it has to be a PNP. Why should it be a PNP device? This is not a bipolar junction transistor. Ha, but why? So when do you want inversion? No. See, listen to the see. This is a logical viva question. मतलब एकदम आ सकता है ऐसा bouncer, yes or no? Correct? Yeah. I mean, just walk in. No need to take permission. Just walk in. See, the the answer to that is, look, for me, for the channel to form, I want channel to form only when there is a bias from outside. If it is an N substrate, if it is a P substrate, उधर already holes बैठा हुआ है ना. Initially मेरे को उधर holes चाहिए नहीं. Initially I want holes sitting there. No. Only when I apply bias, holes should come. So holes should be in minority in that particular part of the substrate, yes or no? So that when I pull, then only holes will come up. Correct? Yes or no? That is why. Same thing for NMOS. When it's sitting in a P substrate, channel में electron बैठा है क्या? नहीं है, लेकिन मतलब दिवाली डिस्काउंट के साथ जो भी है, you need to apply this bias to pull it up. Yes or no? That is why. No, this is a very standard potential viva question. Yes or no? Another, yesterday a few guys were discussing, matlab, I know the answer, but I want to highlight with you. In an inverter, if I do this, नीचे PMOS, ऊपर NMOS, क्या होएगा? I think I've discussed this in the first lecture also, but क्या होएगा? नहीं, but क्या होएगा? First thing, it will not act as an inverter anymore. It will start acting like a buffer, but it will never give you full 1 and it will never give you full 0. That is the complete answer. I'll tell you why. एक कैरेक्टर है ऐसा मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में जो वाइवा लेता है और बहुत ये करता है, चिल्लम चिल्ली करता है. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी नेम्स, बट उसका कैसे रहेगा? यू नो द टिपिकल वाइवा टेकर, ये क्या है, गलत है, चट टूटता, यू नो दैट टिपिकल वाइवा टेकिंग स्टाइल. Correct? No, I'm telling you, a lot of you guys will be next in the firing line. So the complete answer is, sir, it will work like a very bad buffer. So next logical question is, what is a bad buffer? Sir, it will never go up till 1, it will never go up to 0. Next logical question will be why? Because NMOS will never give you a strong 1, PMOS will never give you a strong 0. Understood? Okay, just highlighting. कल मेरे को याद आया इसीलिए in yesterday's class. Okay, see, so PMOS sits in an N-well, NMOS sits in P substrate. Now, typically what they do is, You take an NMOS, you put it into a P well. You take a PMOS, you put it into an N well. Size में कोई difference नहीं. I just ended up drawing something bigger. That's all. Size is the same. You put something here. Anybody? This something here I want you to find out. Homework number 1. And why do you put it there? Theory है. मैं बोला ना, a lot of that bookish theory I don't need to cover. Yeah, so what you put there and why, that you need to tell me. अरे हाँ बाबा, it's for isolation, but when you go and read it, at least वाइवा में क्यों आता है, क्या आता है, तुम लोग पढ़ेगा तो सही. And if I give it, so it's homework, please, you have to write it on a sheet of paper and bring it. In the exam, don't expect such kind of questions, but why am I highlighting this? So that for your viva, you'll need it. Biomed, you all have VLS as a subject this semester, or you have it in 6th? This semester, okay. ठीक है. Okay, just now, why am I telling you P well and N well? This process is called as a twin tub process. Tub, balti, मतलब दो बाल्टी है. Okay, twin tub process. Okay, now the thing is that when you will do your layout, अभी suppose मैं इसको top view से देखेगा. Engineering drawing में एक top view नाम का प्राणी होता था, याद है? Okay, so if I see this from a top view perspective, what I will do is, first I'll make a P well, I'll make an N well first. So see that I'm taking this top view and I'm turning it thoda. Orientation badal raha hu. Okay. So I'm seeing it from the top, but now I'm turning the orientation. Where this is here and this is here. Okay. You're visualizing, yes or no? Now, what I will do is, I will make my active region. Uske upar I will make my poly. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Same thing, I will make my active region. Uske upar I'll make my poly. Understood? Yes or no? I know it's obvious, but bear with me. Some things I'm repeating so that we are all on the same page. Okay. Then what I need to do is, if you've seen the Silicon Run video, I put oxide here and I bring in metal 1. Yes or no? Correct? Then here also we bring in little bit of metal 1. Correct? Yes or no? This, ये जो gap create का ना, this gap that I created is called as a via, whatever, or it is also called as contact. It is also called as contact. I told you it's like a building. Okay, standing or sitting? Okay. Acha, higher chair. Okay, so my mistake. So think of it as a building. Okay, building basically starts from basement. So imagine special staircase from base. So your diffusion N well is basement 2. Active region is basement 1. Your poly is ground floor. Metal 1 is first floor. Metal 2 second floor, third floor, वैसा. Now to go from one floor to the other, you need to create staircase, yes or no? There are 2 special staircases, बाकी standard staircase है. Special staircase is diffusion to metal 1 staircase. मतलब basement से direct first floor. This one. This is a diff to metal 1. Understood everybody? Yes or no? Correct? बनाना पड़ेगा ना staircase. When you have to create a gap or a contact. Okay? Then poly to metal 1. That is ground floor to first floor. Then you have M1 to M2. M2 to M3, M3 to M4. So, if I see from the top view here, I have to create a diffusion to metal 1 contact, yes or no? बराबर? Yes. नीचे से contact बनाना पड़ेगा ना, hole drill करना पड़ेगा, staircase बोलो, whatever you want to call it. Without that, will I be able to put anything in that? No. The number 1 cause for errors in layouts is missing contacts. नंबर वन, नंबर वन, मतलब पहला अगर कल्प्रेट पकड़ने का है, पता है पहले कहावत था ना, पहला चोर में मतलब चोरी होता तो पहले सब लोग एक चोर को ही पकड़ते थे भले उसने किया नहीं हो. सेम थिंग हियर. In your layout error raha na, first thing you go and start checking for, have you put in all the contacts or not? Because understand this, from diffusion, suppose I want to take it directly to metal 2, diffusion to metal 2, क्योंकि मैं ऊपर से ला रहा हूं, सेकंड फ्लोर से सामान ला रहा हूं, सो क्या करूंगा, बेसमेंट टू मेटल 1, yes or no? From metal 1 to metal 2 I need 2 contacts, yes or no? Then I'll bring it from top, yes or no? That ऊपर से everybody, one is overlapping the other ना, one is overlapping the other, तो दिखेगा नहीं. So you have to make sure you put it. जब तक तुम लोग 2-3 बार एरर नहीं मारोगे, तुम लोग को समझेगा नहीं कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. तो करो एरर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाट थंब रूल आई एम टेलिंग यू, लेआउट में इश्यू आया, किसको पकड़ने का पहले, कॉन्टैक्ट्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Because see, right now, today you'll be doing very, what do you say, very simple layouts, inverter, NAND, or all of that. But when you do the bigger circuits, like your half adders, full adders, they're not big, they're very small. But I'm talking about, let's say, your ripple carry adder. You're talking about your carry look ahead adder, or something like that, or your SRAM. The big layouts. There you have to be very methodical. Very methodical. If you make a contact, करेक्ट, मेटल 1 से मेटल 2 ले जाना है, तो मेटल 1 फिर उसका कांटेक्ट लगाओ, फिर मेटल 2 ऊपर से भगाओ उसको. मैं बोल रहा हूं, मैं अभी भी बोल रहा हूं, तुम लोग गलती जरूर करोगे, विच इज ओके, मतलब करना जरूरी है, करेक्ट, बट जस्ट टू सेव योर टाइम, द चेक फॉर योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स ऑलवेज. नाउ, सो इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट्स क्लियर, और वायास वियास वॉट एवर यूड लाइक टू कॉल इट. ओके, नाउ similarly you'll have a contact here. This will go to VDD, this will come to here, which we will call it as output, yes or no? बराबर, ये यहां से उड़ी मारा ना मैंने, सोर्स ड्रेन, करेक्ट, yes or no? ड्रेन सोर्स, this will go down to ground, correct, yes or no? Understood? I'll explain layouts, don't worry, मतलब stick diagrams and all, but conceptually समझ में आया what is contact, yes or no? Now let's look at the top view of this. Let's zoom in on just an NMOS or a PMOS. Let's zoom in on NMOS or PMOS. Don't go as per colors right now. I'm just taking random colors for now. Now this is an N well. तो ये कौन सा MOS हो गया? PMOS. Correct. As I told you, it's a standard trick question. Can I make an NMOS in an N well? You cannot. You cannot make an NMOS in an N well. Well, you want to be really smart about it. Say, no sir, put another P well, in small P well inside the N well, and then you can make an NMOS inside. But normally you don't run multiple diffusions on the same area. It's not good. It's like one professor used to say, it's like putting multiple tattoos on the same part of. I really am not much of a tattoo person, but still, it's your because you keep on hammering inside the same part of your device, na. It's not good. So, diffusion means you're changing the parameters, na. So, anyways, just additional knowledge. Now, see what I'm trying to say is, this patterning. The English word patterning is done by masks, yes or no? Patterning is कौन कहाँ बैठेगा, yes or no? Who will sit where is done by whom? Masks. बराबर. Do you agree कि mask भी थोड़ा इधर उधर हिल सकता है? That is called mask misalignment. That is called as mask misalignment. थोड़ा तो होगा, yes or no? Nothing is perfect, right? Because it's finally handled by a robot, na? An automated machine. Automated machine में थोड़ा बहुत तो error होता ही है यहाँ वहाँ. Correct? You understand that, right? It's possible, yes or no? Now, suppose the mask misaligns and now for this one, for this particular contact, and let's say it becomes like this. Correct? Still it should work, na? Yes or no? Yes. Why is it working? Because you've left some distance here. Yes or no? You've left some distance, that's why it's working. Think on the other way around. For it to work, I have to leave some distance. To take care of mask misalignment, I have to leave some delta upar niche, yes or no? Correct? That is the fundamental reason for the need of design rules. कोई बोले ना, why do you need design rules? Is to compensate for mask misalignment. बराबर ना? You understood why? Yes or no? Understood? Yes or no? Because हिल गया थोड़ा मास्क तो एटलीस्ट डिवाइस तो चलना चाहिए ना. सेम थिंग गोस फॉर सपोज दिस वेल, सॉरी योर एक्टिव रीजन, मास्क मिसअलाइनमेंट हुआ, सो ऐसे हो गया. Still it should work, yes or no? Because why? You've left a gap here. Correct? Think of the other way around. For it to work and to compensate for mask misalignment, थोड़ा gap छोड़ना पड़ेगा ना. So empirically they have found out. Empirically matlab by trial and error, that you assume worst case mask misalignment at what? 0.75 lambda. Lambda is the basic unit. Everybody knows lambda, right? So you assume worst case 0.75 lambda is huge. I hope you all understand that. If your error in, let's say, making the width or the length is 0.75 lambda, means your length is 1.25 lambda. Correct? You understand it? Think of it in terms of percentage. Okay. Suppose 20% का error आया. 20% is 0.2 lambda. ठीक है? Width में 20% का error आया, give or take. ठीक है? So your current will go down by 20%, yes or no? Direct. I is proportional to W by L, na? That's a huge loss in current. Your rise time will go down by 20%. Your entire chip will slow down by 20%. Do you understand? That's a huge error. Logically समझ में आता ना? नहीं, तुम लोग वो करने वाले हो तुम्हारे SRAM प्रोजेक्ट में, कि तुम लोग अपना जो वो ये फाइल है ना, your this, what do you say, the technology file, you will play with some, reduce some parameters and see whether your chip still works. That is called simulating for process variations. That is the real meat of a VLSI designer. ऐसी डिजाइन बना के छोड़ नहीं देने का. You see कि in real life scenario अगर मेरा ये 10% से बढ़ा, ये 10% से कम हुआ, so that report you will submit कि still my SRAM chip works under these circumstances. That's how you show good design, na? So that's part. I will show you how to do process variations later. Okay. There is something called as a Monte Carlo analysis. Maybe if Ganesh sir has time, he'll talk to you about it. Monte Carlo, not the place. Monte Carlo, or not the sweater company. It's Monte Carlo analysis ek hota hai. What you do is, you sweep across 100 parameters का variation. मेरा VTH threshold ऊपर नीचे हो गया, फिर भी चला क्या? ऊपर नीचे हुआ, फिर भी चला क्या? All of that. That is done using scripting. I think I've spoken about this just briefly before, but again, that is using any scripting language, Python, Perl, whatever. So as a VLSI, most of you guys, if you get into the VLSI industry today in backend, in Bangalore, you will be doing scripting. Design का job mostly US में होता है. RTL का थोड़ा काम है. RTL is ये Verilog, writing Verilog design. वो थोड़ा काम यहाँ पे होता है. But just for your information, process variation is, and normally in a project viva also, if you want to present your VLSI design project, especially backend, front-end FPGA design, you don't have much of process variation because chip बनाया है ना. यहाँ तुम लोग chip बना रहे हो. If you present process variation, it shows a lot of meat in your, मतलब then your project has a big dimension ना. कि मैंने ये बदला, ये ऐसा हुआ, ये हुआ, ये हुआ. So you can now talk like how I spoke. कि सर width में अगर 10% change आ गया, current में इतना ही होगा, मेरा rise time होता है, देखो ये सब. It shows depth. Make a note of this. Obviously this lecture is getting recorded, but this part, when you guys watch this lecture again, make a good note in your notebook about these points. Okay, this is practical. This is actually practical. Industry में क्या होता है? Okay. Just make a mental note of this to watch this snippet again in the lecture so that you guys have. Okay. Now, so why do we have design rules? डिजाइन रूल्स मतलब क्या, देख भाई इसके बीच में इतना डिस्टेंस रखना जरूरी है, इसके इधर इतना डिस्टेंस रखना जरूरी है. देयर इज मिनिमम, दीज आर ऑल मिनिमम डिस्टेंसेस, राइट? मिनिमम इतना तो होना ही चाहिए, करेक्ट? इतना डिस्टेंस छोड़ो, इतना डिस्टेंस छोड़ो, इतना इसका मिनिमम साइज होना चाहिए. सो डेफिनेटली योर विड्थ ऑफ योर ट्रांजिस्टर शुड बी दिस मच, करेक्ट? यस और नो? दैट इज द विड्थ ऑफ योर ट्रांजिस्टर, यस और नो? करेक्ट? दिस इज योर लेंथ बिकॉज दिस इज योर चैनल ना, करेक्ट? So technically speaking, if I say this is lambda, this is 2 lambda, this is lambda, so your width should be 4 lambda. Some design rules say इधर 0.5 lambda छोड़ो, इधर 0.5 lambda छोड़ो, तो total कितना होता है? 3 lambda. AMI semiconductor बोलता है मेरा ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा एरर है, ज्यादा रखो, 10 lambda रखो. Okay, so you have, there are standard design rules as I said before, but then you have to go and ask the manufacturer also, boss, ki any addition that I need to do. Everybody following me? Yes or no? Everybody? Yes or no? Okay. Huh. So if anybody asks you why do we have design rules, the first number one question is to compensate for, and there will always be process variation. Sometimes my depositing, the person who's depositing my poly, correct, 10% एरर आ गया तो मेरा विड्थ कम हो गया, लेंथ कम हो सकता है, यस और नो? लेंथ बढ़ भी सकता है ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ डिपॉजिटिंग लेस इज डूइंग मोर, तो लेंथ इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग 2 लैम्बडा कुड नाउ बी 2.2 लैम्बडा, यस और नो? कुड बी 1.8 लैम्बडा और नो? यस और नो? फिर भी ट्रांजिस्टर चलना चाहिए ना. सो द सेकेंड रीजन इज प्रोसेस वेरिएशन. First is both, even mask misalignment is part of the process only. So it is to take care of mask misalignment and what? Process variation. And somebody asked what is process variation, sir? If in case of diffusion, instead of light, थोड़ा इधर नहीं, light का dispersion भी होता है ना photolithography में. Light dispersion की वजह से थोड़ा light इस आगे पीछे चला गया, तो active region instead of इतना बनना है थोड़ा ज़्यादा बन गया. So to take care of all of that. Correct? Everybody conceptually understood, yes or no? Okay. Because when you will be doing layout today, Mansi will show you, there is something called as, you will be performing a step called as DRC, design rule check. You have to check, boss, कि मेरा design rule follow हो रहा है कि नहीं. Thumb rule. Every step you do in your layout, DRC मारने का. Every step DRC. Small, मतलब 2-3, once you get the hang of it, you know how much to maintain, how much not to maintain. Are you guys following me? Yes or no? Okay. Now, clear? Any questions up till here? Sure? Now, so this was basically why I had to highlight a few points, is because in your layout you'll be going through all of this. So you should know क्यों कर रहे, N-well क्यों है, P-well क्यों है, दोनों क्यों डाला, twin tub process. Correct? Why do we have design rules? It's there in your theory. You'll have design rules in your theory. है. If you read, अभी book खुलने का time आएगा. At that time you see there are design rules in that. The multiple of them. Minimum length, minimum width. Correct? So those design rules, for example, there are few design rules. I'll tell you one thing. Let's say metal 4 has to be wider than metal 3 or metal 2. The minimum width. Minimum width समझते ना? Like metal 3 is 3 lambda. Metal 1 is 3 lambda. Metal 4 is 4 lambda or 5 lambda. Because higher metals are used for global signals. मतलब you have to transmit, मतलब ऊपर दूर तक सिग्नल भेजने का ना. नीचे वाला लेयर लोकल में काम करेगा. You can send local, मेन रोड जाता है ना लंबे तक, मेन रोड बड़ा होता है. So that's because you are sending global signals which have to go a higher distance. So you make it wider so that the resistance is lesser. Understood? Yes or no? So उन लोग ने compulsory बोला wide बनाओ. Okay, these are another favorite Viva questions. Why is metal 4 wider than this? We make one more note of this one. Why is metal 4 wider than metal 2 or metal 1? Because metal 4, normally on metal 4, metal 5, you'll send what? Global signals, na? Correct. You can compare it. बोलो सर वो हाईवे को बड़ा होना जरूरी है, रेजिस्टेंस कम रहेगा. Okay. Everybody conceptually understood this, yes or no? Yes or no, guys? 100%, no? No, this is a favorite interview question also. Okay, why is this? The normally ये पूछा जाता है, ये एक है, आता है. Okay, now let's understand that given, now I'm switching the topic. Given any Boolean equation, Boolean function, can I design a single gate out of it? So all functionality will be done just by that one gate. Let's say XOR A bar B plus AB bar. Actually अगर इसको बनाने जाएंगे तो क्या होएगा? One inverter, then one AND gate, correct? Yes or no? I don't have AND gates, I'll have to do universal gates, yes or no? Correct? And a similar structure here. So 2 transistors, 4 transistors, 2 transistors, 4, 2, correct? 2, 4, 2, correct? 2 and 4, 6, 8, 16, 20, 22 transistors. Let's say by logic minimization, you can bring this to probably 18 at best. You can use that De Morgan's theorem, yes, वो सब कुछ भी करके, you'll maybe bring it till there. But still 18 transistors, yes or no? Plus you have individual gate delays, yes or no? मतलब जब तक ये नहीं ऊपर जाएगा, ये नीचे नहीं जाएगा, ये ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, ये नीचे नहीं जाएगा, something like that. Yes or no? You have gate delays, na? Correct. Now all of this, if I want to do it in just one gate, that gate, some textbooks call it CMOS gate. I was taught the concept, so I'm going to call it a compound gate. In chemistry, you have elements and compounds. Now, compounds is mixture of two. Similarly, a compound gate is doing multiple things together. Okay? Pay attention, this is important. ये शायद तुम्हारे एग्जाम में भी आता है क्वेश्चन कि given this equation, draw the CMOS structure and draw the stick diagram. But why do we need this is because you will be using it for your designs. Understood, yes or no? So did you understand the problem? Did you understand the problem statement? Problem statement समझ में आया ना क्या करना है? I want to represent XOR using one gate. You understood the problem. If I don't do, what happens? I'll have a lot of transistors, number one, and also delays. Okay. Now, there is a mathematical way of doing it, which is slightly terse. I'm going to show you directly thumb rule way of doing it. Quick. Okay. There might be a mathematical derivation, wo tum log pad lo. I'll show you the thumb rule way of doing it. Okay. That within 4 minutes you will be able to arrive at the answer. Okay. See, A bar B plus AB bar. Before that, understand, when it comes to PMOS, NAND parallel NOR series. NAND parallel NOR series. For simplicity, I remember it as AND parallel OR series. मतलब you remember however suits you. PMOS को अगर तुमने संभाल लिया, NMOS automatically उसका converse बन जाता है. Yes or no? In a complementary, if your PMOSs are in parallel, NMOSs will be in series. Remember that thumb rule. NAND parallel NOR series, AND parallel OR series, whatever you would like to call it. Now, please guys, please observe this. Then you guys can make notes. Just observe this, how I have done this. I need your full attention here. So A bar B and AB bar. First step, double bar it. Same आएगा, yes or no? Then you look at your this function. The bar on top means what? Inverted, yes or no? Bar on top means inverted. Everybody following me till here? If I take care of this function, ये क्या है? A bar B plus AB bar the bar. From a complementary point of view, मतलब using CMOS gates, using a CMOS structure, using a complementary MOS structure, automatically that bar on top will take care of the complemented output, yes or no? Correct? So my aim is to look at that AB bar plus A bar B plus AB bar, the whole bar, design it in a complementary way, आ गया XOR. So now I am teaching you how to do that. Initial logic समझ में आया? हाँ या ना? Now, so what will I get? A plus B bar dot A bar plus B, जो भी डी मॉर्गन थियरम लगा लुगा के सब आता है, yes or no? I'll get A bar B the whole bar dot A B bar the bar, correct? Then again I'll split those two into a plus in the center, yes or no? Everybody understood how I got this? Everybody knows De Morgan's theorem, na? Okay. Now comes the important part. Just observe very carefully. Okay. Let me call this group M. Let me call this group N. Group M and group N. Just for your understanding for now. What is this function? OR. You say NOR. Just in your mind. What will you say? NOR. NAND parallel NOR series. NAND parallel and NOR. This is what? Although it's OR, in our mind, just for our thumb rule sake, what will we call it as? NOR. You call it OR also. मैं बोला ना AND parallel OR series बोला, NAND parallel NOR series. Plus sign दिखा मतलब series. Dot sign दिखा मतलब parallel. In terms of PMOS. PMOS संभाल लिया तो NMOS you can automatically draw. Okay, we'll do one more practice term as well so that you'll understand it. Okay. So A, this is group N. So what will I have? One PMOS which is A in series with another PMOS which is B bar, yes or no? This is group what? M. Similarly, group N. A bar, B. Correct, yes or no? This is group N. Understood, yes or no? Are you with me till here? Both these groups are dot. मतलब क्या है? They are in parallel with each other, yes or no? Correct? ये बराबर स्ट्रक्चर बना, M and N are in parallel with each other. PMOS है मतलब it will definitely be in the pull up section. Has to be ना. Will you ever have a PMOS in the pull down section? Game over. कभी जीरो आएगा ही नहीं. वो path के through कभी आएगा नहीं. That path, if the PMOS is in the pull down path, will you ever get a zero? Your PMOS will never let that point fall down to zero, right? Understood? So, by default, you will connect one side to VDD, other side to output. Correct, yes or no? बराबर ना? Pull up section मतलब क्या हो गया? वो एक साइड VDD है, नीचे क्या है? Output. Following? Everybody? Okay. अब इसका NMOS section कैसे बनेगा? Directly opposite, yes or no? Like what? Anybody help me? A and B bar in parallel and something like this, yes or no? Apply any logic to this and it will give you XOR function. Obviously, you will need four more transistors to do your inverters. That you cannot eliminate. तो एक ऐसा आएगा. Something like this, yes or no? Same thing, the same inverters will feed down also. Okay, so let's do a sanity check. A is 0. A is 0. B is 1. A is 0. B is 1. So output should be what? 1. XOR gate, na? A is 0. B is 1. So if this is 0, this PMOS is on, yes or no? Okay, this is 1, hence the inverter output is 0. So both these PMOSes are on, yes or no? So output is 1. Correct? चल रहा है ना? अभी दोनों को 0 कर दो. One of these PMOSes is off, yes or no? So if this is 0, this is 1, so this is off. This is 0, this is 1, so this is off. तो कभी pull up होएगा नहीं. On the other hand, one of these guys is 1, yes or no? B bar will be 1, na? This guy will be 0. B bar is 1. If B is 0, B bar is 1, na? Similarly, A bar is 1. Correct? B is 0. So you have a path through here to ground, yes or no? Yes. So what is the output? 0. चल गया ना CMOS XOR gate वाला. How many gates? How many transistors? 8 transistors. See, but remember, everything that looks good always has a trade-off with it. Correct? Yes or no? Anything that looks good will come with a trade-off. So compound gates are always bulky. बड़ा रहेगा. Single gate बड़ा रहेगा. Correct? So to get the same final rise time as those gates put together, those series of gates I showed you, na? What is your final gate in that series here is just an inverter, which will have a very good rise time and fall time. The delay is more. मतलब ये signal से पहुंचने को ये signal को time ज़्यादा लगेगा. Correct. But still the rise time and fall time is better, na? You understand that? There is a difference between delay and rise time and fall time, huh? You understand this? So, for this guy to have a same rise time and fall time, I have to size these guys up, yes or no? So understand. Compound gates are bulkier than unit gates because when you adjust them for rise and fall, which is my next topic I'm going to cover, you have to make them bigger. Okay, so again, this is another favorite Viva question. I mean, I'm guessing if I would be a Viva taker, I would have asked, अच्छा compound gate अच्छा है, इसका disadvantage क्या है? बोलो सर, initially बनाएंगे तो rise and fall time will be less. Will be more. Sorry, rise and fall time will be more, which is different from delay. Correct. Rise and fall time impacts your delay. Finally, if it takes more time to rise, the delay will be more from point to point. Understanding, yes or no? Okay, please understand this. I'm just saying कि if your Viva taker really understands and wants to squeeze you for some reason, at least you are well prepared. Okay, watch this lecture especially again just when you prepare. You all have Viva for VLSI? है? ठीक है. Then watch this particular lecture again just to prepare. Okay. Now, is this clear? Yes or no? Let's take another example. Okay. Somebody just give me any random equation. हाँ, give 3 input also. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Just for fun sake, dot A. ठीक है? What is the first step we will do? Double bar it. Correct? So what will I get? AB bar. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. Correct? Yes or no? Now, PMOS section. Correct? These both will be in series. Yes or no? Yes. In parallel with one more. In parallel with one more. Correct? Yes or no? So I'm calling this M section. Correct? Yes or no? A bar in series with B. This one, this part. Correct? Yes or no? B bar in series with C. This part. Correct? Yes or no? A bar in series with C. This one. Correct? Yes or no? All three of them are in parallel. Everybody following me? Simple. This is again in series with bar. Correct? Upar VDD, niche ground. Niche output. Somebody might ask, sir, can I put this on top? Yes. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Everybody followed this? Yes or no? Now, Make note of this equation. This one. Yeah, the red one. वो number 1 लिखा है ना उधर. It's everybody made note? Wait, I'm not done. Copy this one. Equation number 2. All right. Equation number 2. Noted? Yes or no? Okay. Right. उसके नीचे 3 input NAND, 3 input NOR, 4 input NAND, 4 input NOR. थ्री इनपुट NAND, 3 इनपुट NOR, 4 इनपुट NAND, 4 इनपुट NOR. ये जो पहला 2 इक्वेशन दिया ना, इक्वेशन 1 and 2, उसका you have to make the compound gate. This is homework which you will submit next class whenever it is. Okay. For next 2 concepts that I'm going to teach, that is sizing for rise and fall and stick diagram, you will make for all these 4 items. 4 plus 2, 6 items. Equation 1, 2, 3 input NAND, 3 input NOR, 4 input NAND, 4 input NOR. Okay. So that whatever I'm teaching today, तुम लोग का अच्छे से हाथ बैठ जाएगा उस पे. I'm telling you. So अभी next जो 2 concept मैं cover करूँगा ना, that you have to do it for these things. Okay.